So the dog has just decided that she's going to get through a little gap here. And now she's in that field. Skye, what are you doing in there? Come on. What gap did you get in? She's got through this wire fence here somewhere. Hey, come on. Come on, you got to get yourself out of there now. Skye. Come on. How'd you get in there? Proud about that. Got a pig in shit, bless her. Come on, you're gonna have to come here. I'll have to pick you up. Barbed wire here as well, look. Oi. Come on. You have to come down here. Wondered what you was up to, young lady. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Look, be careful. Come on. Come across. Skye, over there. Come. Over. Oh dear. Really? I've had to come in here now. Is that what your plan was? Trying to get me in here? Little bugger. Suppose that's us now, isn't it? Good girl. Bit different. Take me for a wild goose chase, I think. Maybe she's like me and everyone else getting bored of the same walk. It's just easy. But this is good.